Easy Greek-style roast fish with potatoes and tomatoes. This recipe is designed to be a one-pan meal, packed with Mediterranean flavors. Ingredients: fish, 4 white fish fillets, e.g. cod, haddock, snapper, or sea bass. Potatoes, 4 to 5 medium potatoes, such as Yukon Gold or Russet, cut into 1-inch chunks. Tomatoes, 1 pint, about 2 cups. Cherry tomatoes, halved, or 2 medium tomatoes, roughly chopped. Onion, 1 medium onion, sliced. Garlic, 3 to 4 cloves, smashed or sliced. Herbs, 2 tsp dried oregano, plus a handful of fresh parsley for garnish. Liquid flavor, 1 part 4 cup olive oil, plus extra for drizzling. Juice of 1 lemon, plus 4 to 6 lemon slices. Salt and black pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius. In a large roasting pan or baking dish, combine the potatoes, sliced onion, garlic, 1 tsp of the dried oregano, 1/4 cup olive oil, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Toss everything together until the potatoes are well coated. Roast the potatoes for 20–25 minutes. This head start is crucial for tender potatoes. Add tomatoes and season the fish. While the potatoes are roasting, pat the fish fillets dry and season them on both sides with salt, pepper, and the remaining 1 tsp of dried oregano. After the initial 20–25 minutes, remove the roasting pan from the oven. Add the tomatoes and optional lemon slices to the pan and gently toss them with the potatoes. 3. Add fish and finish roasting. Nestle the fish fillets amongst the vegetables. Squeeze the lemon juice over the fish and drizzle a little extra olive oil over everything. Return the pan to the oven and roast for another 10–15 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Cooking time will vary based on the thickness of your fillets. Serve. Remove the pan from the oven. Sprinkle generously with fresh chopped parsley. Serve immediately, making sure to spoon the flavorful juices from the pan over the fish and vegetables. Recipe. Tip: for even more flavor, you can marinate the fish in a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and oregano while the potatoes are roasting.